So in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up and perform the Polymer Lab. So these are the two chemicals you're going to need. Okay, it's a very simple lab. They come in this box right here. Probably that's what's on your lab table, and you're just going to get those out. You're going to need a small beaker, and it needs to be clean. So that if you look in your lab drawers, you can find a very small beaker. Okay, it needs to be clean. You need to wash it out with soap and water, and then rinse it with a little bit of acetone. So these red rinse bottles like this have acetone in them. That's what you can see written on the sides. Don't use the blue topped rinse bottle. That's supposed to have water in it. This has acetone in it. Don't play with it. You don't want to overuse this stuff, but you're going to rinse the inside of this. Okay, make sure you rinse the inside really, really good, and just pour it out in the sink. Okay. Now we're going to have some odors from this lab because this is an organic lab, and very often these solvents are odoriferous. Yes, that's a word, odoriferous. Okay, so once this is clean, that acetone is going to dry out very, very fast, and that's really the point. We want to get this very clean. Then we're going to put a little bit of each chemical in here, and just a little bit. Now there are some different ways to do this, but I like to just simply very carefully and slowly pour it along the edge like this. And all you need is enough to have two different levels of chemicals inside this small beaker. What you don't want to do is just splash it in there. You want to have two layers of this chemical. Okay, and you can see there's some foaming going on. It's not foaming, it's sort of a vapor. But if you look very, very carefully in there, you might be able to see that there are two layers of chemical. Okay? But what you're looking for is to pull from the middle of those two layers with a pair of tweezers. Okay? Reach in there and pull from the middle of those two layers. And we start getting this stuff out of it. If you're very, very careful and very gentle, you can get a continuous stream of this stuff. Just like that. Okay? And the goal is to keep getting a continuous stream like that. And just keep right on pulling it out of there. Be very careful and gentle, patient and steady. You can get a steady stream of this fabric material, of these threads, out of the solution. I'm going to rinse this off in the sink. I'm going to dry this off on a paper towel. That'd be perfectly dry. Just kind of get most of the water out of it. Now we can just pick it up, put it in a Ziploc bag, you can take it home with you.